Welcome to Expertrain's one-day Microsoft Power BI Desktop Intermediate course. The aim of this course is to equip you with intermediate-level skills in Power BI Desktop, including data transformation, data modeling, and the ability to craft structured report visuals to enhance data-driven decision-making. This course is designed for individuals who have completed the Power BI Desktop Introduction course or have experience in creating and formatting Power BI report visuals. By the end of this course, you will be able to import data from Excel and CSV files, transform data in Power Query Editor, create relationships between tables and use DAX functions to build calculations, add visuals to the report canvas and apply advanced conditional formatting, work with themes, report pages, and use bookmarks to enhance report functionality. This course is available on regular public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK, and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries at expertrain.co.uk. Expertrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.